uvuye ku byo tubonye bya mitsutsu ufite ibibazo utamenye ibyo ari byo sinzi ukuntu vatko entry studio ziba ari nyinshi iyo bitangiye biza bigenda bityo ukamenya ko ari voltage pictures aba ari abo ukamenya ngo ni G-Base. Studio ziba zafatikanyije ni nyinshi kugira ngo filimi ziryoshye hashye. Nanjye nkayibakubitira kuri website yitwa gasobanuye+.com. Hakuno dutangire, hakuno umugabo Voltage Pictures presents.
You must be the dumbest motherfucker alive.
Ni wakigoryi cyambere kizima kibaho. Washimusa umugore ku manywa yamu. Uzi ko nta muntu uri bubone ubwo bugoryi.
You're doing life.
Churi gukora ni we baragukatira cya burundu tu. Hey, Imperfection Hunter G-Base.
Tell me where she is.
Bwira uriya mugore ari hehe? Gasani. Bwira.
You're so good.
Worohereza ibintu.
Tell me.
Wambwira ngo uriya mugore ari hehe gusa ubundi.
You're fucking shit.
Cyangwa ndakwica.
Fucking dead, bro.
Yapfuye mwana. Kigabo hakuno. Yapfuye mwana. Gore bari kukibaza ngo yapfuye. Wamwishe. Gasura ni DJ Rufa. Last seen alive. Hey. Babara kuheruka kumubona ari muzima bwa nyuma. Hakuno. Subiza inyuma bakwereke. Kabo yarari hakuno Gerard Butler amazina y'inyakuri. Agukine London has fallen. Amasaha 8 niyo badusubije inyuma. Badusubije inyuma amasaha 8. Rero ko tubona kiriya kigabo bari kugikubitira mu modoka bakibwira bato umugore washimuse wamwishe. Cyangwa yagukine Greenland yagukine 300 Spartans.
Can you just turn it down a little bit?
Hakuno wagabanya volume mo gake.
Yeah, sure.
Sana ribi. Hakuno. Kurari hano n'umugabo bari mu motoka. Sanga hari umugore n'umugabo.
Oh yeah, stock the fridge. Everything that you like.
Firigo nayo yujuje byose nzukunda. Ndabizi nabibonye. Tumurukendo. Ariko bisa nkaho batameranye neza. Ako ntago uzankumbura buriya mo gake. Kuri nzagukumbura.
I'm sorry, Will.
Umbabarire Will. Himba bigenze bite? Inyamusubije wabatiruye iby'abandi. Akagira ikintu kigushyushye gitirura imari z'abandi. Nubundi ntacyo baba kurusha. Umva ikintu nashaka kukubwira mwana.
I know we said we weren't going to talk about it, but
Ndabizi twavuze ngo ibi ntituri bubiganireho ariko. Harya ngo uriya mugabo bamwita?
Well, don't.
Wiririkira. Nyine ndashaka kukubwira ko. Umve.
I know that was hard for you.
Ndabizi ko nawe byari bigukora. Kubimbwira ukabiganiraho.
It's in your head or something else.
Sinzi ikintu cyari kiri mu mutwe wawe cyangwa iki.
I just want you to know that I forgive you.
Gusa ndagira ngo umenye ko nakubabariye mwana.
I'm good with it.
Narabyakiriye, I'm good with it. Narabyakiriye pe. Narabyakiriye. Cyega cyega. Nagushimira.
Be honest with me.
Kuba warambwije ukuri basi. Ndabigushimira. Iyo umugore yaracinye umugabo akaza kubimubwira we.
Almost there.
Harabura gato tugiye kuhagera da.
I'm going to have to pull over and get some gas.
Ndaruca kuri station mbanze kirema amavuta. Nabona essence igiye kudushira.
About 15 minutes to my parents' house.
Iminota 15 tukaba tugeze iwacu mwana.
I am.
Mwana.
Unless you want to get out and push the car.
Kiretse nimba ushaka kuvamo gasunika imodoka.
Do that.
Essence igiye kunshira na reka duce kuri station tunyweshe. Kata hakuno ku ga station. Dutangiye filime saa 3:30 za mu gitondo. Gitondo cya kare. Za hakuno ku ga station abanza ashyiremo karibira abanze yongeremo igitoro. Ubundi bakomeza urugendo ngo haburaga iminota 15. None urajya gushyira amavuta cyangwa.
Out there though, what do you say? I fill her up and we drive back to Manchester.
Ubundi sura bivuga iki kiremo menshi dukate dusubirane Manchester.
Into the sunset.
I don't know.
Sinzi mwana. Bafitanye beef bisa nkaho umugabo acyuye umugore wabo w'umugore uraba ari iwabo biyitekerezaho bazagira igihe bongere basubirane. Nicyo cyiza cy'abazungu. Ako mu Rwanda utugambo duhita dutangira kuzamuka ngo yahukanye yasubiye iwabo kubaka biramunaniye umwana wa runaka Abanyarwanda. n'abafana
come back and see me.
mwana nyuma y'ibyumweru bibiri nsezeranya kuzagaruka ku
We'll see.
tuzaba tureba mwana tuzaba tureba tu
I'm gonna grab some water.
reka njye kuzana amazi yo kunywa mwana nawe asigara ashyiramo karibira ashyiramo igitoro umugabo acyuye umugore wabo baciye ku gasitasiyo urabizi bwa buntu bw'ubualimentation buba buri ku masitasiyo ya esanse abasha kunywesha umugore nawe agiye kugura amazi mu kantu k'akaalimentation hakuno rebe haburaga iminota 15 ngo bagere iwabo w'umukobwa aho umugabo amujyanye hakuno mu bwiherero shyiramo hano umugore araza abanza yitera utumekapu n'iki byose namwe murabazi abona mesaje hano z'umuntu wamwandikiye ati kutampamagara ese uri kumwe na Willy nibyo mbonye arasimba ibonye neza biranjabutse Willy hakuno umugabo yego neti ni Willy mwana uravayo muri yavuyeyo hakuno uruka muri alimentation ni bwa buntu bw'alimentation buba buri ku masitasiyo namwe murabibuzi bwa bouillon ntuz brioche.
Hi, just this.
Shit.
Yeah.
Yego simba mbatwikiye buriya nkoza amahano.
You can keep it.
Thank you.
Gumana eshanje harya babyita eshanje zabicera ugiye kugarura umuntu cyangwa iki yagumane mwana yihanganira amata korasohotse yihanganira umugabo amurembuje hano gutya sinzi niki byose yararangaye ko umugore yakagiye hari ikamyo yaje parika hakuno ikamyo yaje parika hakuno umugore hari umuntu umuyobeje ku ruhande gato umugabo akiri kunywesha amavuta gasana umugore we umwibetanye ikamyo icaho ikamyo yaciyeho aha akamodoka kari gaparitse nta kagihari karabaye umugabo ntaramenya ko umugore we sinzi ariko tu umugabo bonye umugore atinze aza muri alimentation hakuno aza mu alimentation hano bwa bukwiki shop nyine simubuzi se nako mwebwe ubukwiki muzi nibwo nzi ndabuzi ndabuzi Lisa yaje gukomanga ku bwiherero hano bw'abadamu Lisa hakuno kurebamo hano Lisa nta urimo nta Lisa urimo hano umugore we nta urimo hano gusa twe twabibonye ko umugore yasohotse ahubwo arimo asohoka sinzi umuntu ugize gutya amuyobya ku ruhande muraho kabatangira baramucanga ariko what's popping meze bite
Excuse me, looking for my wife. You didn't see a woman in here?
yihanganira gato musore ndimo ndashaka umugore wanjye ntago wigeze ubonera umugore
White top.
wari wambaye akantu k'agapira k'agatopu k'umweru n'ipantaro y'ijinsi
Bathroom.
warebye mu bwiherero
I just checked him.
yego mu bwiherero naharebye nta mugore we urimo ntawabona twe turabizi ko yasohotse kikaba kiramujijishije nacyo kimwimya amakuru kandi uriya mugore cyakabaye kimuzi kubera ko yagihaye na tipu yakibwiye atoye wari kungarurira buyagumanyesha hakuno ni Lisa wasiga ubutumwa nkaza kuguhamagara ni je Lisa
Hey, where are you?
uri hehe mwana ugiye he
Other side of the gas
ni
station.
ku rundi ruhande rwa sitasiyo
For you.
gasani umugabo biramucanga iyi wari wabona yihanganira musore
You're in a white top.
wigeze ubona umugore
Jeans, dark
ufite umusatsi w'umukara
hair, walking around out here.
wari wambaye jeans y'ubururu atembera hano wapi musaza nawe nabonye Desire hoho atwara ikimodoka kimuruta.
Lisa!
Kibazo Lisa we aramubura, nta Lisa uri hano. Mugabo biramucanga, ubwo narankwepye se bigenze bite? Cyaba muntwariye muri hoteli Kiyovu. Madamu se cyo dutahe ndananiwe. Sinshaka weho nimba ushaka genda shana, abonye inshuti ninanirwa iranyura. Muraho bafana banjye, ndabakunda. Inshuti yanjye koko nta muntu wigeze ubona wari wambaye akantu k'agatopu k'umweru. Nakumvishije musaza yaje aje kugura iki se? Ndakeka yaraje kugura amazi kandi yayamweretse icupa aramubwira ati ni amazi yonyine ntwaye, gumana nayo wari kungarurira. Sha musaza sinzi warebye mu modoka se kataweje basi numubona aramutse agarutse umubwira gume hano. Bamwita Lisa. Kigabo kimwimye amakuru sinzi, kigabo kandi cyamubonye umugore asohoka. Lisa we Lisa wigeze ubona umugore nata tangira kurangisha nk'urangisha akana gatoya ufite umusatsi w'umukara. Mwigezemo abantu umugore nata utembera hano wari wambaye akantu k'agatisheti k'umweru k'agakropu. Udukropu ni uduke ariko n'akajinsi k'ubururu. Udukropu ni uduke, crop top. Ubu byaramucanze yinjira imodoka, kandakira imodoka atangira ashakishe hafi aho. Gusa twe twabonye umugore we hari ikigabo cyamurembuje kimukatana inyuma, haparika ikamyo yavuyeho imodoka kimukatishijeho ntayigihari. Bivuze ngo umugore byanze kuzana ahantu yagiye, yaba yagiye abishaka cyangwa atabishaka, ariko yagiye. Ntawe ukiri hano kuri aka gasitasiyo, ntawe ugihari. Sengurutse muri sitasiyo ayikatamo biranga, agaruka guparika hakuno, nta mugore wabona. Lisa we hamagara Lisa bitanga iki? Hari umugabo w'i Kigali noneho rero yaba ari guserebura ati barabinkijije bya bibazo sha.
Sorry to bother you again. I can't find my wife anywhere.
Mwana mugore wanje nari
The address of this gas station.
Wamereza adresse z'aka gasitasiyo ka 164 route 66.
Police here.
Hari nimero se ya polisi y'umwihariko byibura oya. Kandi 911 mwana 911 emergency call ubu yuhamagaye. Polisi iri hafi aho muri ako gace kenshi ni kwitaba, bagende kuri network kuri gukoresha bari hafi yawe nibo bakwitaba. Sergeant Anderson 911 ko muduhamagaye. Ndashaka gutanga raporo y'umuntu wabuze umugore wanje.
I can't find her.
Ntabwo ndi kumubona ndamubuze.
You mind taking line 3?
Hari ikibazo tugushyize ku murongo wa gatatu.
Man said he lost his wife at the Veldro station.
Hari umugabo uvuze ngo yabuze umugore we kuri sitasiyo ya gaze. Yabuze umugore we.
That's what he said.
Reka tubwiye. Sawa.
Mr. Spann, this is Detective Patterson. So, you're saying you can't find your wife?
Hakuno uravuze ngo ntabwo wabonye umugore wawe? Yego nari mpagaze.
I stopped to get gas. She came.
Bagarana ngiye gushyiramo akantu k'akaesanse.
Get a drink and that was like.
Nawe agenda cyo kuzana ikintu cyo kunywa.
20 minutes ago I've been.
Nk'iminota 20 ishize.
I can't see her anywhere.
Sindi mu kumubona. Ibintu nk'ibi bikubaye ugomba guhita utanga ikirego kuri polisi. Warebye mu bwiherero?
Yeah, I checked the bathroom.
Yego mu bwiherero naharebye. Sitasiyo yose nayizengurutse imbere n'inyuma. Mr. Spann we.
What's your wife's name?
Umugore wawe bamwita?
Lisa Spann.
Bamwita Lisa Spann.
Lisa Spann.
Lisa Spann.
9, she's dark hair.
Yari afite imisatsi y'umukara.
She's wearing a pair of blue jeans.
Yari yambaye jeans y'ubururu.
And a white t-shirt.
Yambaye na t-shirt y'umweru. Okay.
Is she from the area?
Avuka inaha.
Well, originally she's from this area, yeah.
Yego nyine avuka inaha ariko ntabwo dutuye inaha.
Live along the road in Amherst.
Twe twaturi dutuye kure.
Maybe she ran into a friend.
Wabona yagiye kureba nk'inshuti ye.
You think your wife would just run off with a
akafanda uretse ubugoryi? Wowe uratekereza ko umugore we yagusiga mwari muri kumwe ahantu ngajyanye n'inshuti atakubwiye? Uri gushyira esanse mu modoka? Okay. Mr. Spann kuko ibintu polisi abajije ni ibintu bitumvikana hano mugani.
Listen, I don't have anyone available just now.
We're in a bit of an emergency here.
Hano ni ikibazo cyihutirwa fana.
Truck drivers everywhere.
Hano hari abashoferi b'ibikamyo buri kanya kariko kose. Wabona umugore wanjye ari ahari hose. Wabona ari no mu byo. ndi kubyumva ko wagize stress
as soon as possible, okay?
reka nze nshaka umuntu nohereza azagufashe vuba nihuse
Okay.
cyane nanjye nizire sibyo
Be as quick as you can. Okay?
santari bimugira ibishoboka byose avandi
Going on.
wowe ugume kuri telefone ugume hafi aho nta kindi abuze umugore we mama we filime bahise ngo last scene alive cyangwa se bwa nyuma ubwo aheruka kugaragara ari muzima ko filime bayise rebe hakuno mugabo byamwanze mu nda kandi akiri imodoka nanone twaye imodoka nziza Cadillac imodoka z'imyaka zigezweho ahubwo umenye ari Cadillac ESV siora Platinum aya nagari iyi ni Cadillac se nibuka ibintu
Hey, Barry.
Barry Anna
It's Will.
ni Will
You guys call me back. I'm looking for Lisa.
uze kumpamagara ndi gushaka Lisa urakoze bye mugabo atangiye gushyuha mu mutwe waburaga iminota 15 ngo bagere wabo umukobwa baparitse kuri station ya essence bagiye gushyiramo igitoro gato mugora arabuse tori bibaye saa 4 n'igice bageze inaha mu masaa 3 aje hakuno mugabo yaje hano yashyushye mu mutwe
Lisa.
Lisa
That's them, sweetie.
hakuno
Lisa.
Lisa
Hi, Will.
wiriwe bimeze bite
Hey, how are you?
ugeze kwa nyirabukwe
Where's Lisa?
Lisa ari he
I was gonna ask you the same thing.
nanjye nibyo bintu nari ngiye kukubaza
You here?
ntawe uri hano
She's not. She's with you.
ntabwo mwari muri kumwe musore
Lisa.
kumwe nanjye Lisa we
Well, she's not.
yaje waba umukobwa n'ubundi hari hafi aho haburaga ngo iminota nka 15 Barry we hey
What's the matter?
I don't
ikibazo ni iki
Something's wrong. What?
sinzi ikibazo nanjye
Hear from her? She didn't call me.
No, she's.
ntabwo yigeze abamagara cyangwa ikingagira ikintu abavugisha
Is it?
Wapi.
I thought maybe she.
Oh, wait a second. No,
Let's go to-
weren't you supposed to drop her off here?
si we wagombaga kumugeza hano warwana
Yeah.
yego
1 minute she was there, the next minute.
kanya gato nari mufite kandi kanya ndamubura
What do you mean by that?
ushatse kuvuga ngo iki mwana
What do you mean she's gone?
kuvuga ngo iki ngo yagiye
You stopped to get gas and she went
tuhagaze kuri station hariya tugiye gushyiramo esanse
into the market and
yinjira mu gasupamaketi hariya
she didn't come back out.
ntiyigeze asohokamo rero
She's
kumva icyo atazi
the
yasohotse
gas station then.
wabona nyine ubwo ariho kiri
Not still in the gas
She in the-
station.
ntawe ukiriyo
Bathroom? Did you check?
wenda ari nko mu bwiherero
Restrooms. I've looked
hose naharebeye ariko
the whole damn gas
Okay, which
station.
station yose nayizengurutse
station?
iyihe gaze iyihe station iyihe station ya gaze
And you know, I was
hariya hirya mu gatsata hariya hirya
Miles from here, so she wouldn't walk from there. So I have to ask you this, Will.
ntago yaba yavuye hariya ngaze n'amaguru rero reka nkubaze wina
Did you have a fight?
we nawe mwigeze
Is that what
mutonga
this is? You had a fight and
no, Barry.
mwigeze mutonga nawe ya bali
Have a fight.
ntabwo twigeze dutonga
Through some stuff, as you know, but we
urabizi ko wenda dufitanye utuntu tw'utubazo mu mubano
don't
wacu
have a fight.
ariko uyu munsi ntitwigeze dutungana ntitwanarwanye wapi
She had. Anybody else know she was coming? Any
ese mwe ntabwo mwari muzi ko ari buzina
Man.
nta wundi muntu wari ubizi nk'inshuti ye
anything or anybody?
cyangwa iki
Friends.
But did
Inshuti.
you speak to any of her friends?
hari inshuti ze bari bakivugana se
wait.
buretse
What are you saying? That
ese
it's
ni ibiki uri kuvuga
because of us? Is that it?
Not blaming her.
kubera twebwe uri kudushinja amakosa
No, that's-
nta makosa mashinze ariko
Anybody else
No.
oya
What are you
uri kudusebya uri kutwandagaza musore
talking about? Barry? I'm not
si uri kuvuga
blaming anybody.
nta muntu uri gushinja amakosa si kigali we babitonganiramo okay
Okay.
sawa
You can think what you want.
mutekereze ibyo
This
mushaka
is me.
ariko uyu ni
All right? No,
iki ndi will
This.
I know, but it's not Will and Lisa.
ariko ubu ntabwo ari Will na Lisa bari bafitanyemo n'utuvivu
We were expecting Will and
Yeah.
Lisa.
Okay.
twari twiteguye Will na Lisa none haje Will
Well,
gusa
let's get about finding Lisa. Okay.
reka twisubire ku kibazo cyo gushaka
I'm.
Lisa
I gotta go back. I called the police.
cyengeye gusubira nahamagaye polisi
Coming to the gas station.
ubu bagiye kuza kuri iriya sitasiyo ya gaze
Search just in case.
mwemwe mugubyo
Maybe call her friends. See if
niyagira ikiba wenda akabahamagara cyangwa inshuti
anybody
ikabahamagara
heard from her.
basi muze
I
kumbwira
can call me if you hear anything.
nimugira icyo mwumva mumbwire mwana mumbwire waba umukobwa
Cop
Hey,
right now. What do you mean call her friends? What the fuck
se
is
biriya ni ibiki ari kuvuga ngo guhamagara inshuti
Stand
I
what
don't
he
even know if
said.
I believe him that he called the cops.
sinzi impamvu igihe nahamagaye polisi
I don't trust him.
This doesn't
Jesse
make
nanamwizera
any sense.
ibintu ntabwo biri kumvikana
It makes sense to me.
He was acting weird.
n'uburyo yitwaragamo ntibusanzwe uramubonye. Mugabo yaje hakuno. Mugabo yaje hakuno. Hey! Garutse kuri ya station ya essence yarahagarutse. Heba hakuno. Tuntu tw'umukobwa twari turi mu modoka abuza umugore mu kanya nkako guhumbya. Uyu mugore we ntahuye n'umugabo wifitiye ibiceri. Ngambwiye buriya mwe murakeka ari iki cyaba kimujyanye rata tugeze mu mwanya aruhura umutima buri munsi nzajya nkubaha. Mwasenze Imana mu buri cyo ariko ko nta kintu muzamburana. Ko nzajya mbahereza ibyishimo iki byose yawe. Namwe rero kibazo. Tangiye kwibuka hari umunsi umwe.
Hey, I got the steering column working.
Hakuno.
Yeah, cables were fried.
Mwana insinga zari zahiye.
It was time to get her wet.
Hakuno umugore yaraje kumureba.
No.
Shaka akantu ko kunywa se wapi.
Okay.
Okay.
Have a beer.
Kigiye kuba ninywera byeri nitamo.
You okay?
Mese neza?
No.
Wapi. Kibazo kise kandi shushube. Kibazo kiwil.
I think we need a break.
Ndakeka dukeneye akaruhuko mwana. Umugore yaje gukatira umugabo ati ndakeka dukeneye gufata akanya tukitekerezaho tukaba dutandukanyemo gace. Kubera akazi.
Is it the work?
Ibi ni ukubera akazi mwana.
Been around so much.
Ndabizi ko ntahabaga cyane.
At least I'm almost finished with this stuff.
Ariko ibyo nakoraga bigiye kurangira. Ndabizi mwana. Ndabyumva.
It's just I don't actually know what it is.
Ukuri nuko ntazi ubu ngubu ngo ni ibiki mwana.
Can't fix what I don't know.
Sinzi ngo nakemura ibiki bintu ntazi.
Isn't it? So you don't know what's wrong. You don't
None se gutu utazi ikibazo ni.
communicate to me what.
Dushaka kunganiriza.
I'm trying
Ikibazo ni
to
iki?
speak to you right now.
Ariko ndi kugerageza
Is
kukuganiriza.
this how you're gonna
Yeah, but what is it this time, Lisa? You're depressed.
None reba kakanya ufite depression mwana.
You're unfulfilled again because
Basi ntago wumva
we
unyuzwe.
know what happens when you're unfulfilled.
Turabizi ibi
We've
utanyuzwe.
been there. I dealt with that.
Ibyo ndabimenyereye ibiba ndabizi. Iyo utanyuzwe nimba batanyuzwe ikizinze.
I'm sorry.
No.
Babarire mwana ya.
I'm sorry.
Babarire. Ubwiye nabi umbabarire.
Feel anything anymore.
Cye nta kintu nkiyumvamo mwana.
I'm just numb.
Mbese nkaho nabaye ikinya.
I can't even pinpoint why.
Sinzi ngo impamvu ni iyihe.
Some time apart would be really beneficial.
Byibura tumaze agahe tutari kumwe wenda twabyungukira mu mwana.
Some space.
Umuntu akiha akanya akitekerezaho. Some space. AGASOBANUYE+.com niyo website ibintu biba biri kuberaho. 5,000 ku kwezi 3 ku cyumweru karya show. Filime ziba zimeneka buri kanya. Zimeze nk'imvura yo mu kwa 12. Detective Patterson. Muri akaga station.
News about your wife?
Nta makuru urabona y'umugore wawe se? Wapi?
It's an hour and a half now.
Waciye isaha n'igice.
I went to her parents' house in Emerson.
Nagiye w'ababyeyi be.
Didn't show up there.
Naho ntiyigeze agerayo.
Where'd you go there?
Kubera iki wagiye?
That's what I was taking. I thought maybe.
Kubera ko ariho nari mujyanye n'ubundi nahise mvuga ni wabona yakomeje
You
akagera.
stay here.
Ariko nari nakubwiye
Come
kukumenya.
back here.
Look, I'm clutching at straws here.
Wabona yaje kugaruka
I
hano.
don't really know what the protocol is.
Reka ntabwo nzi amategeko
So yeah,
y'umugore w'umuntu wabuze ngo bigenda gute.
All right,
I don't know what.
Sawa sasa.
Parents' names.
Amazina y'ababyeyi babo ni ayahe?
Anna and Barry Adams.
Anna na Barry Adams.
Oh, the Adams. I know that.
Ni ba
Adams
Adams.
a little bit.
Ndabazi ba Adams.
People.
Ni abantu beza.
Yeah, the good
Detective ubutuye muri quartier urumva ntiyabayoberwa umuntu ushinzwe. Umupolisi wo muri quartier ntabwo yabayoberwa.
On a person in a car.
Okay.
Hari ibintu yasize sego mu modoka harimo igikapu cye na laptop
And I have her computer as well.
na computer yiwe nyine nayo ngiyi dekanye guhereza.
You don't have a phone, do you? Huh?
No, I think she had her phone.
Telefone ye urayifite we ndakeka yo yayijyanye.
My phone, but it
Kubera
must
ko nagerageje gukoresha Find My Phone.
be off.
Ni application ni programu ya telefone yo mu iPhone akenshi.
All right.
Ariko sindi kumubona umenya telefone yifunze okay. Samuhani ndani. Samuhani ndani mu iriya alimentation Oscar we.
Detective.
Detective.
What, you need coffee?
Chenega kaso ujya.
camera footage from...
nkeneye amashusho ya kamera zafashe.
The camera's been busted a couple weeks.
haciye ibyumweru zarapfa.
I got a guy coming out, but they
narabahamagaye abatekinisiye
showed up yet.
ariko nta n'umwe waje kuzikora.
This man says his wife is missing.
uyu mugabo ari kuvuga ngo umugore wiwe yabuze.
all day. You didn't see anybody?
kandi wari wicaye hano umunsi wose nta muntu wabonye. nta kintu nabonye.
All right, listen.
mugabo arahakana. kandi twe turabizi yabonanye n'uriya mugore banaganira muhereza na tipu. mpamvu ahantu hose mugomba kujya mujye mutanga tipu ariko babamenye atazagira n'umuntu uvuga ngo runaka yageze hano. muhakane wapi. hakuno.
She didn't give it to me.
Oh, no way. I got one of them whiz kids down there. He can crack it.
Password y'imashini urayizi wapi ntayo yigeze amereza. Sa mfite icyana hariya kigize ikiwizi kibi. ndabizi araza kuyisetsa wana. Fanda Cho. Detective.
So why I just... That's not hang out front?
Nkomeze ngume hano imbere se cyangwa iki?
Just be reachable.
Nkuko nakubwiye ukomeza uri ahantu twakubona. Just be reachable. Uburyo igihe turi bugukeneye twaguhamagara twaza kugutora uri buboneke. hakuno. Mugabo yagumiye hakuno. Abuze umugore we. Ukanya nkako bitunguranye. Umugore we aramubuze. Gasani. Hey! Kumye ku gastation ka polisi. Nako ka essence. Kamye mvanga ibintu mbyitiranya ariko. N'ubukene. Muri iminsi ninongera gukira nka mbere. Zongera nge mbatamo gake. Ngabo yaje hakuno. Kuri station yarebye hano. Abona kamera za hano ziri gukora. Kandi uriya mugabo uri muri alimentation yavuze ko izi kamera zidakora. Ngabo yayisagarukamo hano. Sagarukamo n'igitaragara.
Oscar, yeah?
Oscar we, yego. Uragarutse nanone mwana. Kakangaye.
You said the camera's not working?
Wavuze ngo kamera ntago
I
zikora.
already told you. It's fucking busted.
Nabikubwiye.
Said it to the detective?
Ni nabyo ndabizi ko abivuze abibwiye na detective.
Because it's busted.
Kubera ko zarapfuye. Koko.
See, I know a thing about these cameras.
Hari ibintu nzi rero ku makamera je buriya.
Quite a few, and that's live.
Ndabizi ko nigeze kuzikoramo gakeya iriya kamera irakora.
No, it must.
Yeah.
Maybe there's a battery in or something.
Wabona nk'ikibazo cy'amabateri cyangwa iki hariya. Uri kuvuga ibiki?
What are you playing on?
Uri gukina ihe mikino wa mugabo.
What's going on here? I got no video here, okay?
Mwana hari urabona hari ikintu kigaragara.
No screen? Yeah, what do you want?
Nta screen ufite nta monitor nyine bigaragariramo.
You might have no.
Nashaka iki?
But that's recording.
Ushobora kuba udafite aho urebera amashusho ari kuri kodi.
I don't know fucking business here, all right, man?
Mwana nta business ngene dufitanye urane.
Yeah.
Uravuze ngo menye business
my fucking wife here.
Wakiko ryo turi kuganira ku mugore wawe. Cyose ni ikibazo cyanjye. Abishwana muzi n'ikindi kankwereke. Cyo kuri gukora ibiki mwana. Cyo kuri gukora ibiki. Oscar mwinjirana wakigoryiwe. Skari cyamwimye amakuru na kare kubita injegera kubita ibandi. Sawa hakuno acobora ikintu ite santarari amashusho yacagaho gicomoramo. Oscar yari yavuze ko izi kamera zidakora, none tubonye ko kamera zikora. Sakandagira umuduga, kandagira imodoka ye Cadillac tamanuka. Imodoka ya danje ni umuzigo kikiri kujya mbere hano ubundi. Kubera icyo Oscar yari yasibanganyije ibimenyetso yanze kubyerekana, yaje kuri station ya polisi hakuno. Samanuka kuri station ya polisi.
Here to see Detective Patterson.
Je hano cyo kuri Detective Patterson. Patterson. Yo.
Got a Spann here?
Hano hari umugabo bita Mr. Spann. Yewe.
The CCTV.
Azanye amashusho hakuno.
Thought it was broken.
Narinzi ko amashusho yapfuye mwana.
So did I.
Naje niko nari mbizi.
Oscar gave it to me.
Oscar niwe yamaye. Ntabwo yavuga kamukomaguye, kamutimbaguye, kamukonjesheje, ntabwo yabivuga. Hakuno. Uyu nguyu.
1 second.
Let's gato isegonda.
Oscar is connected to this, by the way.
Okay. Ibi bintu Oscar birimo. Sawa.
Took it out around 11:30, so you got to go back to 10 or 9:55 or something.
Mwana subira nka saa 3:55 cya saa 4.
Just go back some more.
Komeza usubira inyuma, komeza usubira inyuma.
A little bit.
Subira inyuma iminota mike ya mwana. Hakuno.
No, that's no hurry.
Oya uriya ntago ari
Go back some more.
subira inyuma. Hakuno bareba amashusho. Kamera zaje zifata.
That's
Nguriya mwana. Umugore ukuntu yasohotse mu iduka. Yasohotse muri supermarket. Hari ikigabo cyaje kiramuhamagara. Hey! Amashusho arayabonye. Uriya mugabo ninde?
I don't know who that is.
Ntago nzi nguriya mugabo ninde, ntawe nzi.
He seems to know who your wife is.
Ko mbona sakira nguriya mugabo yarazi umugore wawe wariwe. Hey! Amashusho arayabonye. Bagiye hariya gato. Hari ikamyo yaparitse hano.
Oh, it's a fucking truck.
Kigali we. Kamyo yaparitse hano.
Move it.
Vaho agikamyo we. Yashyushye mu mutwe yabuze umugore we. Ikamyo yavuyeho imodoka yagiye kare.
He has.
Buretse.
All right.
That's your man.
We'll have some guys look into it. All
Uriya niwe mugabo mugomba gushaka rero. Dufite abagabo bari kubikurikirana.
Go track down.
Anderson.
All right.
Hakuno.
I bet he knows who this guy is.
Arafotora ikigabo cya mutwari umugore.
All right. In the meantime,
Rero
if we go in another room, I ask you a few questions in private.
hari ikibazo uje tukajya mu kindi cyumba nkakubaza utubazo gake.
All right.
Sa nta kibazo.
Solomon.
Hari ukuntu ujya gutanga rero intuzi statement kuri polisi. Nakoreka nkomeze filime yacu.
See?
Wenda wicare ukajya gutanga statement bikarangira udatashye da ari wowe uhindutse umunyacyaha. Hakuno aje yizanye none to bamujyanye muri ndabyemeye.
Coffee or anything?
Shakaga ka cyangwa ikindi kintu. Ojya meze neza nari.
You sure you don't know who that man is?
Urabizi ko uyu mugabo ntago uzi ngo ninde? Saa 6:15
Before
z'umugoroba.
my life, honey.
Ntawe nigeze mbona mu buzima bwanjye.
It's okay. I mean,
Okay.
seem to be pretty familiar with your wife. That's all.
Ko nabonye se ameze nk'umenyeranye n'umugore wawe.
No, I mean,
Simbizi mwana.
it doesn't look like the kind of person that Lisa would be friends with.
Gusa nabonye atari umuntu waba inshuti na Lisa.
I know her pretty well.
Ndamuzi neza cyane umugore wanjye ari.
She's got friends from here. Do you know any of them?
No, I
None se uriya mugore wawe ko afite inshuti ntawe uruzizi.
don't really know any of her friends. She
Nta nshuti ziwe nzi.
didn't really talk about her high school.
Ntago ajya avuga ku nshuti ze za kera n'ubuzima bwe bwa
It's
kera.
unusual.
Ibyo nabyo ni ibintu bidasanzwe.
So you were on your way to Lisa's folks' house, right? Adams. And
Mwari muri mu nzira rero mugiye iwabo wa Lisa kwa Adams.
Yeah.
Chico.
And I was taking her there to drop her off.
Nari mujyanyeyo ngo musigeyo.
you know, I have to ask you,
Ariko reka nkubaze wa mugabo.
how's your marriage?
We nawe mwari mubanye mutu urugo rwanyu. Mwari mubanye muti.
Where are we going with this? I don't.
Ibi biratugezayo yafande. Ibi biratugezayo. Bona nawe bamuketse. Mbwira nyine. Mbwira. Sema.
We were going through a rough time.
Twari turi kunyura mu bihe bikomeye
So it
nyine.
was going to be a separation.
Mwari mugiye
Not a
gutandukana.
separation. She
Oya
just
ntago ari
said,
ugutenduka.
need a bit of a break. That's all.
Yari yambwiye ko akeneye agahe
Not a
gatoya
divorce.
atari divorce.
No. I don't get the relevance of this.
Ibi bintu ubundi sindi kubona ahantu biri bunatugeze ariko njyewe.
Do you and your wife, you guys fight?
We nawe mwajyaga mutongana se bya hato na hato.
There's just been some tension. We don't fight. We
Ntago twajyaga dutongana, nta usakuriza undi, nta kurwana wapi.
A fight on the way here?
No, we did not have a
We
fight.
muri kuza se mwigeze mutongana cya wapi. Okay. Fande.
You told me that your wife may have walked home from the station, right? I mean, so why would she?
I didn't know. I didn't know.
Sinzi detective.
Why do you think she would go there without you? That means if she
Iki
did,
cyatumye utekereza ko umukobwa yaba yagiye iwabo rero mutajyanye.
It was a mistake.
Bivuze ngo mwari mwatonganye
Didn't
bya.
make sense. I didn't
Byari
know.
kosa sinzi icyo gukora kuba nagiye kumushakira iwabo.
fight. You know, I mean, you get a little hot, heated in the car.
Why are we wasting time?
Se kuki turi gutikira hano ubundi afande. Siki. Mugabo yashyushye.
There's been some tension.
Ibi bintu birimo ikibazo kandi gikomeye.
Oh, it's an amazing woman.
Umugore wanjye hari umugore ushimisha udasanzwe. Ndetse ni nawe mugore nahuye nawe urenze.
She has a darkness inside her. And
Gusa yari afite umwijima umurimo indani. Akenshi rimwe na rimwe.
She withdraws. I don't know. She's been
akagira gutya agahambuka.
through a lot of stuff, and
Twese tugira mu bihe bikomeye, twese turabizi.
now she's going through some stuff. I'm just trying to be there for her.
Yacizaga ko ntari impari kubwe.
Where do you live, Will?
Ubundi mutuye he Will we?
I live in Manchester, New Hampshire.
Je ntuye Manchester muri New Hampshire. Ni leta.
And what do you do for a living?
Ukora iki rero? Ubuzima busanzwe n'iki gituma ubaho? Ukora iki kikubesheje?
I'm a real estate developer.
I'm a real estate developer, umuntu wubaka amazu nkayagurisha.
Money in real estate, right?
Sha umenye ufite ibiceri byinshi.
Lots of cash exchanges hands.
Yeah.
Ukora ku mafaranga menshi cyane.
A lot of unsavory characters.
Yeah, there's some, but not at a gas station, and
Nta bantu mufitanye amabifu se turabafitanye benshi ariko atari abantu baza gushimutira umuntu kuri station ya gas.
Sometimes just call
Ntabwo ujye ukoresha abakozi se ngo ureke kubahemba cyangwa iki.
you know,
Nyine
like the way they've been treated, the way they've been paid.
batishimira uburyo bafatamo cyangwa ubahembamo.
I'm a good boss.
Je ndi boss mwiza afandi.
Really don't see how that going on
Kandi ibyo sindi kubona ukuntu
Chester is going to have any
byabera Manchester nkaza kwisanga binkurikiranye
On the
nawe.
road, you go prospecting, so to speak, speculating.
Buryo mugenda mu muhanda se niki byose urabona abantu.
Get away from the city a little bit.
No, I don't leave so much.
Hakuno.
I work a lot. I'm away from the house a lot.
Je nkora cyane.
Town so much, no. All right, so now it's
Sawa sasa.
what
Iki.
Have you ever had an affair?
Wigeze uca inyuma umugore wawe?
There's two guys in here talking, right?
Hano turi kuganira nk'abagabo babiri ubwiza.
Every guy has a wandering eye, right?
Buriya ntabwo wamenya ikiba kiri mu maso y'abagore. Wigeze umuca inyuma na rimwe?
No, I haven't had an affair.
Wapi, ntabwo nigeze umuca inyuma. Umugore wawe se we yigeze aguca inyuma? Yego, umugore wanjye yigeze anca inyuma yigeze anca inyuma.
How long ago was that?
Shize igihe kingana iki?
Yeah, it was about 6 months ago.
Byari amezi 6 ashize.
Insurance on your wife?
None se umugore wawe aba muri assurance y'ubuzima? Aba muri assurance y'ubuzima nka kuriya? Yego.
How much?
Ku buryo aramutse abuze bagwa nk'amafaranga ngayo. Sinzi.
$2 million.
Ariko bampa mu mamiliyoni y'amadolari kandi.
Standard, right?
Icyo giciro
I
nyine.
mean, I don't know. I make cop money. I don't make.
Simbizi dagiye nkora udufaranga duciya tw'abapolisi.
Abducted my wife, and I'm gonna kill her.
Ukavuga ko nashimusa umugore wanjye nkagenda nkamwica se
A huge insurance
kugira ngo assurance inyishyure.
Cover all the bases.
No, my
Cyane
wife
kugera ku bimenyetso.
now could be 3 fucking states.
Umugore wanjye wabona maze kurenga leta nk'eshatu wicaye hano uri kumbaza ibibazo
Questions.
by'ubugoryi gusa.
Nothing to do with what has happened.
Ntaho mpuriye n'ibyabaye kuko ntaho mpuriye n'ibyabaye ku mugore wanjye.
Do it myself.
Rero njye mbabarira afandi, nimba mutabinkorera ndabyikorera.
I'm gonna bring you the evidence.
Bundi ni ukubera iki naba nabazana ibimenyetso mbaye nzi ko mfite aho mpuriye nabyo.
You might be clever than most people.
Ukaba uri umuhanga nyine ugira ngo usibanganye ibimenyetso ahubwo no kutuzanira ikimenyetso.
Smart man.
Uri umuhanga wa mugabo.
Make a lot of money.
Uri umwubatsi ufite ibiceri nyine uri umuntu uhanga. Niyemereye kugenda.
Anytime you want.
Ushakira ugende ntari.
We have your name. We have your number.
Dufite izina ryawe, dufite nimero yawe, tuzaguhamagara niba
Photo of your wife.
ufite ifoto y'umugore wawe ugiye ko ndayifite. Korea mugabo yashyushye mu mutwe umugore yabuze. Akaba ari abagabo b'i Kigali avuga ati man urakoze. Nuru narwo ndarusimbutse. Hakuno. Ngabo yasigaye hakuno. Ikibazo. Ufite ikibazo gikomeye. Hakuno. Umugore we yamubuze.
I mean, you look suspicious as hell, right?
Seems like
Ukuntu uriya mugabo ariko yikeka cyane. Sinzi. Hakuno bari kumureba abapolisi banamuganiraho. Umugabo baramurekuye acaho. Kandagiye imodoka. Ari we wabigenza ute rero?
Morning, sleepyhead.
Hakuno. Tangiye kwibuka.
Are you trying to make breakfast?
Uri guteka breakfast shushu bema yiravu.
What I just got
Fora nakuzaniye.
Remember Nate's contract that I was up for?
Uribuka ya kontra ya Nate?
Yeah.
The meeting I had?
Ya nama nari nagiyemo.
I got the contract!
Akazi bakamaye wana.
Oh my God.
Mana yanje. Hakuno bakaza guserebura. Ngo n'umugore bari bameranye neza ariko akundi nyine. Umugore agira gatya akaguca inyuma rimwe nta birenze rimwe kabiri gatatu nta birenze. Kibi nuko yabikora nk'incuri 10. Ibitwara bikore cyane shushu b'umunsi bashwanaga.
We got some more gas in the tank.
Turacyafite amavuta mu kigega cyacu mwana ni nkaya akamubwira ati turacyafite icyo kurya tumeze neza. Biceri bitangiye kuboneka none utangiye kuzana ubwana mu kazi kandi ntabwo bisa neza mu bakiriya. Ntabwo yabisa neza mu bakiriya. Mugabo hakuno. Mugabo hano yagarutse wabo umugabo. Terry, Ana.
You guys hear anything?
Nta kintu mwigeze mwumva wapi? Wapi?
Put out an APB.
Abapolisi bagahamagaye.
I knew that.
Ibyo byo ndabizi, ibyo byo
So
ndabizi.
listen, I found something I want to show you guys.
Unyumve rero cyari ikintu nabonye nshaka
Got
kubera.
it off the CCTV camera.
Twabonye amashusho ya kamera.
Okay, do you know this guy?
Uyu mugabo mwamu.
Really see very well from here.
Ntago ndi kureba neza muze ari
Anna, do you see? I can't see without my glasses.
sinanareba ntambaye rinete zanjye reka mbanze
Yeah, but
mbakigire.
it looks a little bit like.
Oh, yeah, that's
a little
Knuckles.
Like, yeah.
Usimbona sana nakoze.
That's Knuckles. That's our handyman.
Uriya ni nakoze yose akora hano umwana.
Oh, he worked this
guy looks
odd
like
job.
Yahoze ari katugwano.
He's a friend of Lisa's.
Ni
and
inshuti yari se.
They've known each other since.
Baranaziranye kuva kera mu shuri.
Friend of Lisa's. They knew each other.
Ntago namwita kari inshuti ye wanjye.
Alright, guys.
Baraziranye ariko ntago ari inshuti.
Just, does she know him enough to get in a car with him?
Basi bari baziranye cyane ku buryo bagendana mu modoka.
I don't know.
Sinzi.
Do you think this guy would do her any harm?
Uyu mugabo se murakeka hari ikibi yakora kuri Lisa bose.
Can I
Uretse
see
gato.
this? Is that his car?
His car, yeah.
I've
Kimodoka.
seen this car.
Kimodoka
I
sinyanyiwe.
did. I saw it when I went up to Archer Grove for
Iyi
the.
nayibonye kuri Ancha Grove hariya
Yeah.
hafi ku kigaraje mu Gatsata. Narahabonye.
So where's Morrison's?
Right there.
Sawa saha hehe hambwire.
Where is Morrison's?
Madison zaho uri kumbwira ni hehe. Ku kigaraje mu Gatsata. Yahise yakserera yerekezayo. Hakuno. Mu cyerekezo niko bayita harya. Yamagira ngo boss tugusimonize se. Yo ngafite yo natiye.
See if you heard anything? Seen anything?
Kintu uri kumva?
We're on it.
Nta kintu nigeze numva yahamagaye
Let me
afana.
know if you do.
Basi nugira icyo umenya ubwire mwana. Sana ari bi.
Oh, by the way, just want to say sorry about before. You know,
Basi ubabarire ku bwa kare kuba nagutongo
I get
cyane.
it.
Kandi wari uri gukora akazi kawe.
Appreciate that. So what are you up to now?
Ubu sawa ubwo uri gukora
Just
iki?
kind of driving in circles around
Watwaye ndi
town.
kuzenguruka nzenguruka hirya hino mwana.
All right. Well,
Sawa.
she turns up. Give us a call.
Nagaruka rero duhamagare tureke
You
gupana.
know, as soon as I hear anything.
Ninjira icyo numva ndababwira fandi. Ninjira icyo numva
Same
ndababwira.
here. Bye.
Sana nanjye ndakubwira nari bi. Same here.
Miles, take exit.
Hakuno ari kuri Google Map.
Archer Road.
Ari kwerekeza kwa Madison's. Mayiro 12 imbere. Bari kwerekeza. Aho bamubwiye babonye kiriya kimodoka. Tugeze saa ngapi? Saa 8. Saa nimugoroba. Byatangiye saa 3.
200 feet.
Muri metero
Your
200.
destination is on the left.
Icyerekezo cyawe kiri ibumoso abari uhita ukata. Kati ibumoso muri metero 200 uca imbere. Hey! Yarahageze. Ubwo buriya sha Google Earth na Google Map bifite ukuntu buriya ari utuntu twa danger. Nshaka uzabakoresha amahugurwa ubundi namwe nsigaye mbona umuntu arambwira gaheza utuye nkamurangira. Ngo simpazi nguhereze address se kuri WhatsApp. Happy sinzi kubisoma. Nkumirwa. Si muri abasiri murata. Hakuno. Yaje anafata itindo. Fata umutarimba. Fata itindo. Tangira gukata. Aho bamubwiye bamubonye kiriya kimodoka cyatwaye umugore we. Gusa yihebye agahinda kamwishe. Akaba ari njyewe noneho. Abo batatu baba bamaze kwinjira tayari. Agenda umwe akaza. Sinijye wazanye sirenga ivuga ngo nutema igiti kimwe ujye utera bibiri. Nyarwanda nimujye mumenya umumaro w'igiti. Hey! Hakuno za kwegura banguca abandi. Hakuno bimazenguruka zenguruka mano kureba mani ndani kigabo kirimo kiri gupakira imyenda cya kimodoka arakibona bamubwiye cyamutwaye umugore arakibona ikimodoka. Hey! zenguruka inyuma gake ako uyu mwaka muri kubona ukuntu byarangije kwanga. Ubunje umwaka wanjye ni 2025 nabibonye. 2024 dore icyumweru kirashize cya mbere. Niko hey kabo hakuno kigabano kiri gupakira kindi kinji hakuno. Hey! Kibona gipakira cya kigabo bamubwiye cyitwa cyanako cyamutwariye umugore. We ha
What the fuck?
kibazo ki usuwondi
Where is she?
arihe
Listen.
yupa mwana yupa mwana buretse
I don't know who you're...
sinzi uri kuvuga sinzi ibyo uri kuvuga.
Who fucking built my wife, Lisa?
Gore wanje risari uzawa
Calm down.
mwana tuza mwana
Fucking calm down.
tuza mwana
Stay back.
subira inyuma
My fucking house.
nawe uri munsi yanjye ariko byibuka setu akivuna maboko kubita umuhini
Smash your fucking skull.
nkurahiriye ku Mana ndakumena agahanga wa mugabo we. Kigabo gisimbuka kiniga nipfuro akuna arabanza kiniga cyo cyamutwariye umugore arakizi yakibonye. Gore wanjye turashaka twe turasaba mugashaka gusa turasaba mugasa wamvugisha ntago nashaka umusigana na Frank gusa yatumye mbasigana. Frank ni ndereba. Hey kigabo gifata inyundo hakuno ntago gisha kumuha amakuru neza ariko kiramubwiye kiti nanjye sinashaka kumusigana na Frank. Kigabo kihana arakiniga nacyo nticyumva kivayo hakuno kirwana kijya ku kabati gifite imbunda. Kigabo gifite imbunda ku ruhande ko ni mbavu kubita imbwa sohora ingegera sohora imbobo. uretse mwana rekeraho ibiki kura amenyo poko kigabo agikura amenyo
I'll get you to Frank.
ndakugeza kwa Frank nari.
She's at the trailer.
Hey.
She's with Frank.
Ari kumwe na Frank muri za twera aho bacururiza.
Please stop.
Ndakwinginze mwana w'impondaguro kigabo kubita kura amenyo ikikuye amenyo nkangahe amenyo nk'icumi yayamazemo ari yarayitaguye. Garuka mu nzi ndani hano garutse hano mu nzi ndani kigabara gikomagoye koko. Nawe nuje gukubita umuntu ujye umukubita umunegekaze none riva nibiri bagufunga uvuga uti naguhamije sha. Kuko bibaye byiza kwirinda kurwana. Abona ikintu cy'igisupuradara oya bayo hano wa mbobo we bayo hano yemwe gukinira ku bagore bacu muza amafaranga ya pedicure na manicure dutanga ukuna ngana. Muza amapedicure na manicure dutanga ukuntu bingana anisoni je batumye musiga ntago nashaka kumusiga. Kigabo yarakiziritse kurura ingegera vayo hano vayo ibyuvayo n'amaguru arazirika kubita muri butu n'umunwa arazirika mbega umugabo shewe umugabo ni umutindi shyira muri butu hakuno kabunda n'igitarimba ciwe umutoga we garuke hakuno kuriya alimentation Oscar afande yaragarutse kirano Oscar ntawe Oscar ari uyu munsi yakoze mu gitondo.
You tell him you called me at the station.
Umubwira mamagara aze kuri station.
Now see me at the station, write me at the station, but he better come find me.
Yanyandikira yamamagara yagira gute ikiza nuko turi buvuga.
I'm coming back.
Nigaruka
the place up, you know.
Hano hantu ndahafunga. Bwira samvugisha Oscar Rugingo. Hakuno yapakiye umugabo yakiziritse ajugunya muri butu ibande aca kuri traffic aca ku gace gaparitse ari muri 80 Kigali kandi afite umuntu muri butu sinzi bamushyirisha ku ruhande sinjya kira ku ruhande ngewe ubundi se ko washyira ku ruhande utagira ikinyabiziga areka nyiracyo gasani fata kabunda hano banzara gatsimba gace mutarimba na warawutsimba batamubona n'intwaro ciye kuno afande baba saza none baba bakuze batanaciri Nezete umunsi afande byiza uzi mpamvu guhagaritse yego
I was speeding.
Nabizi nirukaga
Fast. 82 on a 55.
Wari uri kwirukanka ugenda ku muvuduko wa 82 ku cyapa cya 85.
Get your license and registration.
Wamereza perime yawe na carte jaune.
Your family emergency.
Afande cyari ikibazo cya family yo mpamvu nirukankaga. Shira. Izo perime kubitaka DL ke. Maje kumuhereza DL.
You don't live around here.
Ako naho gutuina.
No, I live in Manchester.
Yagenduye Manchester. Akaji ko muri New Hampshire. Mubiye bibazo. Tibiye bibazo ko mbona icyo cyakureza.
I was just chopping wood up at the cabin.
Narindi gutema ibiti hariya mu gakabine hariya mu ishyamba.
I'm right back.
Sandaje. Kandebe ko nta deni urimo sha. Yakurera ko nta deni arimo. Ntago urimo ideni sha. Kigali kigitangira gukorora. Fande yamushyirishije ku ruhande. Kabo hakuno mfite umuntu muri buto hano banakurasa. Fande ko nsanze ufite mideni rya miliyoni 5 mbona imodoka yahagaze miliyoni 2. Hari ikibazo usotse mu modoka nyakubaho.
It's just a traffic violation.
Suskara ukurenga ku mategeko. Oya nakanya gato wese uka mu modoka nakanya gato cyane. Kena ribi. Soka mu modoka. Soke mu modoka.
Just give me a ticket.
Ugiye kunyandikira safande oya.
Just step over there.
We hagarara hakurikiriye. Fanda bayafashe ku mbarutsa ruku n'abatizeye. Bayakekaketse. Iki byose kuko umuntu bugendera mu muvuduko wa 80.
Who's bags in these?
Ibi bikapu ni ibyande.
My wife's.
Iby'umugore wanjye.
It's a lot of bags.
Kari byinshi.
Yeah, she likes her clothes.
Umugore wanjye akunda imyenda ye cyane. Akunda icyangwa. Umugore ari Manchester. Sa kuri boot irimo umuntu ngaba ari ikanga. Hey! Fandi. Hey!
Do you mind popping the trunk, please?
Hari ikibazo upfunguriye buto wa mugabo we. Nta kibazo Fandi. Hey! Sa gufungura buto mugabo itakwebano. Hagarara aho ngaho utakwebyano pingurira kurya. Rashe hejuru umugabo araminuka. Uyahita hamagara ubufasha. Usora arakwebye. Umugabo arakwebye ari udakwebye pingurira kubona rirakurya. Fande yafunguye hakuno asanga umuntu muri butu. Usanze umuntu muri butu umugabo yahise akina biroko. Yakinnye ibyoroshye. tekinike hanyuma mu nukwiruka ahantu hose. Hakuno waba umukobwa nawe afande yahageze. Kosa baye saa 9 n'igice za nimugoroba. Tubazo duce nshaka kubabaza yego.
Do you know a guy named Clint?
Muzi umugabo bita Clint?
Yeah, it was the man Lisa was seeing.
Yego Clint turamuzi no mugabo arucudikanye na Lisa.
Was briefly.
Ariko byari bitangiye gucika.
That's what I figured.
Ibyo nibyo nabonye nanjye.
Do you think your son-in-law was straying?
Murakeka se uriya muhungu wanyu, uriya mukwe wanyu yari yarabikize intambaro ya?
Had nothing to do with that.
Nta hantu ahuriye nabyo rwose, nta hantu ahuriye nabyo isaza no kutureba. Ntago tumukeka mu babashimutishije umwana wacu. Hey! Hakuno yari rukanse kishijwe n'amaguru yakiniye biroko. Hakuno mw'ishyamba. Mw'ishyamba.
We bypassed her password and
twabashije kuvana password muri laptop.
So the last 3 emails came from Miss Clinton.
Twabonye email 3 zaturutse kuri uyu mugabo bita Clint.
He kept asking to see her.
Arimo akomeza asabye umukobwa ngo babonane.
Answer his emails?
Yigeze asubiza email ze? Nta nimwe yigeze asubiza.
Are you still seeing Clint?
Yatangiye kwibuka mukecuru arimo aganira n'umukobwa munsi umwe atesura cyareba ubonana na Clint.
One night.
Uje biriya byabaye ijoro rimwe mama.
I'm a lone mom and that is
mama narindi njyenyine nabwo mize nk'umuntu ndi njyenyine.
Exactly what I want for the time being.
Niyo mpamvu ucaka igihe cyo kuba ndi njyenyine nyine. Umugabo we zamwakanye uyu munsi. Mukecuru arimo aganira n'umukobwa we. Lisa byari kera. Mukecuru arazi umubano wa Lisa na Clint. Clint ni umugabo wari ucudikanye. Nibwo yaje abibwira umugabo we. Kirenga umufana.
Want to be able to do what you want to be able to do.
Ubu noneho urashaka kuba ubohotse ukora ibyo ushaka gukora.
You're fun.
Ubu ufite akaruhuko ugenda uryoshye. Nyine ugende tugenda.
Mad at you.
Wabona umugabo wawe yarakura.
He's not really the type to get mad at me.
Mama ntago umugabo wanje ari wa mugabo wakurakarira ngo ntubize.
Sweetheart, I'm sorry. I don't buy that.
Ibyo bintu ntago nzi ukuntu mbyakira muri nje. Sinzi. Umugabo hakuno umujinya wamurenze. Ubuze urukundo ravovuma yirayifu. Ravovuma yirayifu yamubuze. Kwishaza rya danje.
We contacted Boston PD. That's where Clint lives now. And we had some tech people. Contacted Boston PD.
Boston PD Police Department.
That's where Clint lives now.
And
we had some tech people search all of his
to
see if he had hired.
Successful.
Now, knew what Lisa looked like because he saw the pictures of her place. Is that right?
Well, I mean, he knew her when they were kids. They went to school.
And you said you saw Knuckles' car at Morrison's, right?
Yes, I drove by there a couple of weeks ago. Another time, I don't recall exactly when that was.
Doesn't matter. I was there an hour ago. His trailer's empty.
Well, can you
and
the chop survey the area?
There was not. No, Lisa. That is all we know at this juncture. That, and she bumped into your trusted handyman at the gas station. Technically, there's no crime.
Nta kindi kimenyetso cyari gishinze uriya mugabo n'ubundi kuba bahuye nta kindi kimenyetso wapi yari kwiruka mu mashyamba yaragiye kureba umugabo bita Frank cya Clint cyari kigiye kujya kumwereka nako murifate nka kadogo mu Kinyarwanda tu nzajya mbabwira n'utuntu tw'udusirenge yarirukanse ishyamba rimaze amaguru ishyamba yarimajije amaguru ishyamba yarimajije amaguru yabyirukanse koko yararizengurutse koko kugera hano yabonye ikimoto kumbi nyiri ikimoto do Kasimu ni Kasimu neza
Looking to get shot?
Wewe urashaka kuraswa muginga we?
No.
Aya.
Why the fuck you touching it?
None kuki uri gukora kuri iyo moto?
I don't know. I just
Sinzi.
I don't know.
Sinzi na. Urakora iki hano? Urakora iki hano?
I'm looking for Frank.
Ndimo ndashaka Frank. Frank?
Yeah, Frank.
Yego Frank nyine. Ninde ukohereje?
Frank's a friend of mine. I don't.
Frank ni inshuti yanjye.
Knuckles.
Nahujwe nawe na Knuckles.
How you know Knuckles?
Knuckles umuzi ute?
Fucking matter.
We byari cyo biri bugufasha itatangira guhimba imitwe hano.
He works for my family.
Ni inshuti yanjye akora umuryango wacu.
Introduce me to Frank. I'm here.
Yamuje na Frank aje hano ngo nge na Frank dupange business.
Where you coming from?
Uturutse hehe se?
Coming from Emerson.
Nturutse muri Emerson.
Fuck you.
Kijya wa mukinga we. Siki. Kigabodo cya kasa.
Where's your car?
Imodoka yawe iri he?
Dude, it's crazy. My car.
Usaza n'ubusaza ariko imodoka yanjye yapiriye hariya hasi mu muhanda.
Fucking late. You walking through those? Yeah, I'm walking.
Uciye muri aya mashyamba nyaciyemo nyine. Frank arantegereje kandi. Mbona utangiye kunyitambika.
Didn't tell me anyone's coming this way.
Kuko Frank atambaye ko ari umuntu uri kuza.
I didn't fucking know I'd be running through the fucking woods.
Kubera ko atarazi ko ndibuze niruka mu mashyamba imodoka yampfanye yarazi ko ndibuze ndi mu modoka nyine.
Calm, give me a second.
Tuzi mpakanya mbanze mbaze Frank.
Hey Frank.
Frank we. Kiwamagara Frank bahita bamwiciye akora kumbunda na barayifite.
Frank, you copy?
Frank uri kunyumva? Cyombo kiranga.
You say your car broke down?
Urambwiye ngo imodoka yagupfanye?
Couple miles back.
Yego na mayiro make usubiye inyuma ari.
Yeah, no fucking kidding.
Mwana nta bintu byo kunyinisha.
Copy.
Frank uri kunyumva ra?
You know what? Can we stop fucking wasting time?
Mwana wareka tukareka kwangiza iki?
Hey, I'm just doing my fucking job.
Wa mukinga ndi gukora akazi kanje nawe wincyushye Kigali. Wait.
You know what? I'll fucking go.
Uzi n'ikindi kamuhamagara.
Gonna work out here.
Hano telefone ntago zikora mwana.
Fuck.
Sinanabyize.
You called him? You know what? Enough
Uzi n'ikindi mwana.
This fucking day.
Umunsi wanjye wa mbere mubi. Modoka yapfuye. Utangiye kumagarika kujya kureba Frank. Icyazo uyu nuko ari umugabo witwa Frank gusa sawa.
Can't wait to see what happens there. I'm fucking out.
Ibiri buza kuko bawe urwarise gerekana isubirireyo. Ndabwira Frank ko wambujije kugenda.
All right.
Sa mwana. Cyaramufize birakunda ni ikirari kigabo nacyo. Cyo ni ikirara.
Keep walking down that way.
Komeza ugenda uriya muhanda. Komeza.
Thanks.
Sa musaza.
Better not be fucking me.
Nizere ko utari kunyinisha. Ntago ngukinisha mukinga we. Ciao. Hey. Ciao hakuno. Aho Frank abari. Frank nimba bari. Nubahaba bose ni inzanga. Barazangaye do. Bambaye wanaumetemekwa kumanywa. Wanaumetemuke. Mande 3 isambusa. Ewana do, ewana yo. Ziba zaba panchu yewana. Imba bacoma ibiki bacoma ubumara bw'ibibiritiwe. Urabibonye? Hakuno. Sinzi ibyo babakora n'ibyo byabwenge baba barimo bagira bakora iki n'iki byose mugabo arongera kwepera mu mashyamba. Katira mu mashyamba. Hey! Ari guhiga umugore we. Nakoze yamubwiye ko umugore we arimo hano. Ari muri aka gace. Geze hakuno. Geze hakuno. Hakuno. Geze hano. Guhiga umugore we yabonye polisi iri kubigendamo gake. Polisi iri kubigendamo gake. Ntabwo iri kumukorera akazi vuba nk'uko agashaka yahisemo kukikorera. Yaje hano abantu bahari bose ni inzengere. Bose ziba zabapancuye do. Ngo barimo akata mu gace. Tubonye basa nkaho bahakorera ibintu by'ibiyobyabwenge utanamenya. Abantu bahari bose ziba zabapancuye zabakomaguye. Bose ziba zabahaye. Hey! Vuye hano. Gabo wavuyeyo. Yarareba. Arareba. Modoka yakize mwana. Ibintu byose bimeze neza nari bi boss. Gabo wari hano.
Hey yo, get back to work.
Mwe musubire mu kazi mwana. Cyo musubira mu kazi ariko nkuko mba mbibabwiye. Musubira mu kazi bariyo. Gabo wari hano.
He just ran off into the woods.
Ngo yirukanye mu mashyamba. Yego yirukanye mu mashyamba ariko tugiye kwazenguruka saa murakoze. Murakoze. Bamuhaye amakuru. Kiriya muginga yahise abimenya. Sergeant wumva umuginga avuga ari hano yaje guhiga umugore wikunda umenya ari rwiza. Ugira ukunda ari rwiza mu rujyemo mukomeze mwishoremo. Mwakunda kiniki LGBT mwakunda iki? Mukundane tu. Rukundo ni rwiza. One love. Shanzajya mbaseke nipoye ntuje nicariye hamwe. Arakwipa kwipa ku ruhande ushaka umugore we. Abantu bafite akantu k'agakaritsiye mu ishyamba. Se koko umugore wari hano cyangwa ese cyane akoze isi cyamubeshye cyangwa tu sibo zabahaye shaho tu sibo zabakomaguye zabapancuye. Siba zabapancuye. Aje hano sasa hano nk'abantu bose bari bafite intwaro wamenya uhera he. Kumbi iruhande rwe iruhande rwiwe kigabo kiramupfa afata imbunda aragihwereza kubita igipfunsi ugahwera. Shiraho indi yaparitse hari indi yaparitse iyaparitse irimo nde kakagabo kitwa Oscar kamwe ko kuri ya supermarket umugore yari yagiye kugurira icupa ry'amazi kaje hakuno. Oscar Rugingo Oscar Nyanturi to kabo yarakaye fata imbunda tora imbunda bigoryi byamushimutiye umugore niba bitaranamwica. Komeza kuzenguruka muri karitsiye z'abarara babikorera utuntu twabo bitamo bibaya bigira bate yarakurikira bakora ibintu by'ibitabi hano bya bindi bahumekera mu mazuru. Dore hayi ziri hano ariko sa boss hakuno mugabo muri karitsiye y'ibirara aje gushaka umugore we Risa baburanye yaramuciye wabo umugore yari yahukanye yamuhaye lifuti. Abagabo b'i Kigali mwazaba yaba professionnel nk'uyu. Umugore wawe nimba ashaka kwahukana itumutwara unamugezeyo umuterera ipasi umufashe no kuzinga imyenda ubwira utikereye amahoro. Hakuno gake bucece cece kata mu nzu z'ibirara hari uguhura n'ikiri hayo kikagukomagura zikakurenga zakurenga shaho babeshye zakurenga shaho. Cyawe kiraho do abari hano bose biyambarira wanaume z'umweru gusa kandi gake yisunika agenda yinjiramo indani. Hari ukwinjira ku neza rero gusohoka bikaza kuba ikibazo nabyo. Kwinjira ko utazi naho ugiye. Utazi ikigutegerejeyo. Ebe.
Damn, I told Robert about it.
Cheze hano. Cicika. Cyawe. Ahwereza umuntu. Saa 11 za nimugoroba. Hereza umunota naka kagabo tubanze tuganireho gake. Filime yacu ni yatangiye saa 3 arya saa 2. Peter Daniels.
That's your real name?
Siyo mazina yawe nyakuri. Fande yavuyeyo. Aha kabaga fatiye uri umushomeri. Kijyo mwana. Je nakoze. Wakoze uyu munsi nakoze.
Where?
Ukora hehe? Aho banyishyuye ari hose. Kujya kubaka ibipangu byose genda bikora. Rimwe na rimwe hari n'igihe ushimuta abagore kugira ngo baze kuguha amafaranga yo kugira ngo barekure.
Why are you grilling me like this, man?
Ese kuki uri kunyitwara gutyo wa mugabo?
I'm the one that got attacked and tied up.
Ninjye bafashe banazirika banjugunya mu modoka. None nijye uhindutse umuntu mubi. Ikigabo gitangira kuyobya uburari. Uyimbunda arabanza arayikokinga fresh. Kanze ngo upigira barara hano amasasu. Amabuleti. Kanze ngo upigira barara amabuleti hano. Banza twicira uwo. Akomeza ibindi nyuma ariko uwo ngo yabanze gusibanganya ibimenyetso. Yabanjije gusibanganya ibimenyetso abone gukomeza ibikurikira nyuma. Shaho. Komeza yavanze.
You tell me
icyo ngiye kugukorera.
Release is and I'll walk in the court.
Ugiye kumbwira ahantu uri sari ntago uri buje mu rukiko.
I'll tell them how cooperative you've been.
Naza kubabwira uburyo yemeye ko dukorana.
I'll sing your praises to the rooftops. And I bet if he gets his wife back in the attitude,
uriya mugabo nasubirana umugore we.
Their daughter back.
Adamu bagasubirana umwana wabo.
Convince them not to.
Nabumvisha ntibajye no kukureka. Mwana nago ndi ikigori. Ndabizi kutaminsi
tell you what I may be able to do to help you out.
Jendi kukubwira ibyo nagukorera byagufasha nyamara. Gake bucece mu gace. Haya urebe filime witonze ari guhiga umugore we. Filime ba Last Scene Alive heruka kugaragara bwa nyuma he bwa nyuma aho twamubonye ari muzima mwahabonye kuri station. Yagiye ate mu modoka yawe ubwo. Inde se akubwiye ko ngiye namushyizemo. Wamushyizemo. You did. Ikigabo nago mbyibuka. Shima no mukuru.
Talking to Lisa.
Wambobo uri kuri kamera uvugana na Lisa, sibyo?
You forgot.
None kwabyibuka.
Excuse me.
Yagara gato. Lisa we. Hakuno dore uko byagenze. Pete we. Baba nshikugana nakoze. Je! Biti myinshi mwana isirabika we. Isirabika wo kanyagwa we.
Work at your parents' house on the room.
Hari akazi narira ko iwanyu mu cyumba cyabo.
Okay, they're so happy with it. I can't wait.
Byiza mwana.
Are you heading there right now?
Ni uri kwerekeza se mwana yego.
Could you do me a favor?
Waretse kwangwa gafaveri.
Bring an invoice.
Kakuzana facture bari bunyishurire kukayibankirira nimba ari uri kuca. Nibwo umugore yakataga inyuma agiye gufata ngo invoice facture ari bushyiri wabo iwabo w'umukobwa. Sawa urakoze. Hakuno yahise avana y'icyumba injira mu modoka. Nibwo yakamyo yaparikaga hakurya. Uko ikamyo yagaparitse hakurya kigabo cyahise gicana imodoka gutyo.
Talking to her right before.
Wa kigoryi uri kuri kasete uri kumuja ukuganira nawe mbere yuko abura. Niwe wamubonye bwa nyuma ari muzima. Jana avuganye nawe. Ibyo se birarenze kuba twavuga. Jana akoreraga ababyeyi be. Akoreraga ababyeyi be nta kindi kirabihakana ariko twe turabibonye cyari kiri mu kibyibuka. Kibuka ibyo cyakoze. Hakuno. Kiri kwibuka ibintu kiba cyakoze. Kirimo kirabyibuka. Binakomeje guhiga umugore we. Sinzi nimba mubona. Nyamara umenye urukundo rukibaho. Byo kurukundo rutakibaho na amateshwa. Nirabiririmbye ngo namahombo kireba hakurya bakora ibintu by'ibiyobyabwenge utamenya ibyo ari byo. We komeza ucunge mugabo hano bishyirashaho cyamurenze afite agahinda. Umugore we yamubuze mu gitondo, dore umunsi ugiye kwira, umunsi uciye ikibu. Siko bavuga harya mu Kinyarwanda ngo umunsi uciye ikibu. Hakuno yaje hakuno yabinjiyemo n'ubundi kamavayabaye ski. Whoa.
Watch your hands.
Chunga amaboko yanyu. Subira inyuma.
Just tell me where she is, okay?
Mumbwira ahantu ari biraba birangiye. Ari he? Indesi umugore wanjye. Lisa. Mbwira Lisa ari he?
What the fuck you talking about?
Sinzi ibyo uri kuvuga. Tuza mwana. Orohamo maniga. Kabira buratwijyana n'umutima mwiza. Orohamo maniga.
What you guys are doing here? I just want to
Sinitaye kubyo mukora.
Where she is. And I will get out.
Mumbwira ahantu umugore wanjye ari.
No police.
Hano twijyene nta polisi mbwira. Nta kindi biraba birangiye.
You know what we do here.
Say.
Just tell me. I just want my wife back.
Mbwira umugore wanjye. Shira imbunda hasi bro. Nakoze yawe. Zuhuriwe. Ndakwingiza.
Just tell me where she is.
Mbwira umugore wanjye. Nta nakoze njyewe nzi wa mugabo we. Kigali we.
Open that door. Let me
fungura urwo rugi. Fungura aho ureke ndebemo indani.
I will shoot you in the fucking face.
Ndakurasa mu maso kandi ndiseriye. Ndakubomora fungura mwana umusaba batatwica. Fungura batatwica mugabo.
Look.
Ako YouTube channel yitwa Umusemburo TV mujya muyikoraho subscribe.
Good man. Shut the fuck up.
Ziba. Ndakuyamye ziba. Zibaho. Ziba. Genda gake musore. Chawe! Chivana imbunda fire! Mutamo! Undara kwepa. Shira gihaye. Chivanye imbunda itagereza isasu ry'agatuza arakamenye. Bamutamo. Fire! Bari bamutonoye amatwi. Bari bamutonoye ugutwi. Imbunda ntago ibirasa amasasu ngo yabirasa amashaza kandi koko. Sasu! Tonora amatwi!
Tell me what.
Bwira ariko bari do. Shawe masasu. Sasu. Sasu ryaravuze. Sasu. Sasu. Gake. Gake. Ucece mu gace. Mugabo arimo azenguruka mu gace. Mu gakaritsiye mu karisiye. Arimo azenguruka mu karisiye. Mu karitsiye ari kuzengurukamo. Gake bucece. Cece mu gace. Hebe hakuno. Kera hakuno. Sikigari we. Ikibazo cyabaye ikibazo. Masasu! Gashano yumvuta kumenya muhaye. Yumvutaka umenya muhaye. umenya muhaye namuhaye sasu yaramuhaye yamuhamije sikigariwe sikigariwe muhaye kigabo yarazi ko aricyo cyiza aho umugore we ari isasu rirakiriye hakuno ni hahandi bigucanga ukabona wavunikiye ubusa ibintu byose birakujabutse ukabona birakurenze biri too much ari birebire ebe ebe hey
fuck off.
Subira inyuma nawe subira inyuma genda toka subire mu rugo usubire muhira go home gabo sinzi nimba bitamucanze umugore waramubuze ntako atagize ariko waruzi aho umugore wari dore tayari tanje kwibuka umugore yarimo amubwira tumbabarire Will.
Can you please just understand this?
Basi wamfashe ibintu kabyuka.
I don't want to resent you and I don't want you to resent me.
Sinshaka kugirira.
My best friend.
Ni inshuti yanjye rega.
Favorite human.
Ni we muntu nkunda kurusha abandi. Kuki?
Out of all the humans, you're
abantu bose ni we nkunda kurusha abandi akibuka.
I love you, babe.
Umugore yabaga mutama imitoma bateretana bya hato na hato ariko nubundi. Unushaka umugore nubundi. Ariko mugende mwabajinga hakuno hibera abajanki gusa Lisa we hakuno fande nawe kirambiwe iwacu gorye cyambere kizimanzi ugashimuta umugore ku manywa ugaceka ko nta muntu wabibona gwe baragukatira burundu you doing life baragukatira burundu Lisa bwira ari he Lisa we Lisa
feels so good to just
wenda kureka mwana ibintu birabe bimeze neza mbwira ahantu umugore w'abandi bande nawe ari he yapfuye mwana kuki hey Lisa yari gushaka ngo yapfuye Lisa uyari gushaka ngo yapfuye mwana sikigari we kiwe yamubuze wamwishe cyana ko we kibazo ki ni hakuno ahura na Oscar barahuye ha
I know that see you here.
Nari mbisi ko ndi bukubona.
There's a little meth, right?
Buri muntu wese regakira utuntu two ku ruhande.
Easy fucking money.
Yari amafaranga aryoshye mwana.
What about kidnapping, eh?
Amafaranga yo gushimuta.
Money.
Ayo mafaranga ni meza.
I didn't kidnap anybody.
Je nta muntu nashimusa.
You're so full of shit.
Uzi umwanda amujinga we. Baba ye.
You're not a fucking killer. What are you gonna do?
Ntabwo uri bunyice mwana. Uranyice se?
Huh?
You might want to ask Frank that.
Ushaka kubibaza Frank se ko ntari bukwice.
You're not a fucking killer either.
We ntabwo uri umwicanyi.
I put the gun down.
Shira imbunda hasi nona.
You fucking gun down.
Nawe yishire hasi.
Put it down.
Shira hasi. Kabunama itamo yanda mfite usibije kumanika kinjinga. Kareba ko bamubwira ahantu umugore wari.
Okay, talk to me.
Sana ari bibasi mvugisha.
It's fucking crazy you care so much about your wife.
Mwana ariko ndakekura umusazi umuntu wita ku mugore we.
Made to leave your ass.
Kandi we yiteguraga kugusiga.
Divorce for you though, right? It's like
yari divorce ari kugwa.
How you know about the divorce, huh?
Ibya divorce bizu.
You're not involved in the kidnapping.
Ntago we wari uri mu bijanye no gushimuta ubwo. Sibyo? Nako.
Yeah, Knuckles.
Knuckles yarabimbwiye.
The point is that I know where the fuck she is.
Ingingo siyo ngiyo. Ingingo nuko narinze umugore wari we. Bwa basi bwira hehe basi. Ariye umugore wanje.
She alive?
Aracyari muzima basi.
She alive?
Aracyari muzima. Ibihumbi 20 by'idolari. Ha.
And I will fucking tell you why.
Ibihumbi 20 by'idolari ndakubwira.
Everything you need to know. I don't believe you.
Ntabwo nkwize wa mushunzi.
Show me her.
Bwira umugore wanje ari munyereka.
Hey, prove it.
Binyereka kakiri muzima ngenda yago ibihumbi 20 nta birenze. Spann yo telefone.
It's a fucking phone, right?
Yisi telefone ye. Fanya ka XR. Yose telefone.
Right, that's your phone, right? That's your phone, right?
Iyo ni telefone. Sibyo?
Yeah.
Chego. Shikoryo. Uretse mwana turacyari kuganira.
Didn't see her. I saw her when she bought that bottle of water.
Jena mubonye agurana rya cupa ry'amazi namubonye. Shikoryo. Kandi kariceri cyamubwiye ngo ntago kiza ari.
$1,000 and I will tell you.
Ibihumbi 20 by'idolari ndakubwira ahantu ari. Hey.
Alright.
Sawa.
Give me the 20,000. I'm posing your court.
Nabikora iki si ibihumbi 20 ndabiguha intoryi zanjye se kuzifite ku meza sha. Ndaguha amafaranga.
Okay, how am I going to get the money?
Amafaranga ndabona gute?
How am I going to get the money?
Amafaranga ndabona gute mwana?
I want the money right now.
Amafaranga njye nshaka none.
The money just give me at least I
Chemereza umugore wanje amafaranga ndaguha mwana nshaka umuntu. Tujana. Aje tujana. Naho tujana. Naho tujana. Tiraho. Machupa ya gazi yaraturitse shaho. Machupa ya gazi yaraturitse. Machupa ya gazi yaraturitse. Turikana kagabo kandi kari kazaho umugore wari. Ka Oscar. Hey. Umva ubuduha mu matwi. Umva ubuduha mu matwi amacupa yaraturitse. Gasani. Hey.
How do you know she's dead?
Ubizi gute ko yapfuye?
How do you know she's dead?
Ubizi gute ko yapfuye?
Because I dug the fucking hole.
Kubera ko ninjye wacukuye umwobo. Hey.
Weeks ago,
Ibyumweru bice bishize.
I was just talking shit with Frank.
Nari ndi kuganira ibintu na Frank.
Fucking around about how this fucking girl I knew was coming back.
Ubwo namubwiye ko umukobwa nza agiye kugaruka.
This fucking rich dude.
Ko yashyingiranwe n'umugabo w'ingagari w'umukire.
And we could get a shit ton of money.
Ndavuga ni twamuvanamo ibiceri nyamara. Tumumwambuye twamuvanamo ibiceri. Je n'uwo mupango nazanye gusa.
I wasn't fucking thinking straight.
Ntago natekerezaga neza fande.
Stupid man, I saw
cyari ubugoryi. Ubwo namubonaga kuri iriya sitasiyo. Nkahita muyobya nyine.
I took her to Frank.
Mujyana kwa Frank.
He got so fucking mad.
Frank ararakara.
Fucking pissed off that I took her there.
Arakajwe nuko namujyanye.
There were fucking cameras.
Kubera ko yari abizi ko ari kamera zambuye. Aravuga tugomba kubona.
Let me leave with her alive.
Rero ntago yari kundeka ngo ngume ndi muzima.
He said I had to dig a fucking hole.
Arambwira ngo ngende cukura umwobo mushyiremo.
I was digging the hole.
Rero nari ndi gucukura umwobo ngo mushyiremo.
Put me in it too, so I
bitavuga ni n'ubundi nanjye Frank ntari bundebera izuba arankiramo niruka. Je sinashaka kumubabaza.
Where's the hole?
Uwo mwobo uri he?
Where is the fucking hole?
Uwo mwobo uri.
Frank's house.
Uri kwa Frank.
Up in Beckley.
Up in Beckley mu ishyamba hari.
Swear to God, I just wanted the fucking money.
Je nishakiraga amafaranga gurebye ikigoryi. Kuntu umuntu akobera icyanzi cy'intagazi. Yarababaye.
Jesus fucking.
Yesu Kristo. Yarababaye. Hakuno ntibwatinze. Namwe murabaza baza birangiye. Gusa twumvishije ko umugore we ashobora kuba yapfuye. Gusa ntago tubizi neza, ntago turabona umurambo w'umugore wiwe. Umugore wa Will ubwo ni Lisa. Kandi yaje kwa Frank. Kandi yaje kwa Frank. Do. Oscar do. Abona we hakuno gasura kagiye kahinduka nk'ibishyimbo byapfubye. Isura kabaye nk'ibishyimbo byapfubye. Hey.
Driving in circles, huh?
Ebe.
We found Knuckles in your trunk.
Twabonye nakoze muri trunk y'imodoka yawe muri buto.
Under arrest?
Giye gufungwa noneho.
Put.
We gumaho. Gumaho. Stay put. Gumaho. Bande yakomeje kuzenguruka kandi umenya cya kigabo cyamurangiye. Bande azenguruka hakuno. N'iki byose uyu mugore we yamubuze hey Fande yavuyeyo meje kuzenguruka hano kwa Franka mwibuke yapfuye bamukubise isasu yamubaruye do fuye kugeze hano uyu nawe byanze fuye hano bonye umwobo hakuno wabona koko bamwishe bakamujugunyamo wabona Franka yamwishe akamujugunyamo bebe Fande hakuno kwegura nta muntu urimo hey Gerard nawe yumva ibihonda hakuno fushije ibihonda kantu kakazu kari hano yumvishije ibihondagura Lisa Fande ari hano nawe kize gutya kize funguye hano yabonye umugore we Lisa hakuno mana yanjye bonye umugore we Lisa mugabo yarwanye intambara mubyibura umugore we yaramubonye finally yaramubonye ati Lisa baby bimeze neza it's okay baby ufite ndagufite So do kize gutya bagize gutya ndagufite mwana ndagufite naribi fanye umugore we finally yaramubonye nyuma yaramubonye baje hakuno wabo w'umukobwa umugabo ariko yarwanye intambara kabagabo twarushye rero umugore yaba gihari cyaba yikomereje kare ubuzima bwa moving zone Fande nawe hakuno fuyeyo
As I figured, couldn't stand the guilt.
cyane kigwama mwana kubera ko nakoze yemeye icyaha gusa ibintu byose aracyabishinza Frank ariko nta nuwamenya ndakeka Oscar nawe yisanze muri biriya bintu ashaka kuvanamo amafaranga wenda y'ingurane ngo aguhe umugore wawe twega niko nabivuga isiko yahindutse hagati aho se mwana twasuzumye ibimenyetso abantu bose bapfiriye mu iturika ariko hari n'amasasu yaharasaniwe inka yakamubwira ati ndabizi ko wabarashe mwana wabakozemo akazi ariko ntari kankubwira inti mwana ubayeho ku bugenge kize gutya uyiteho mwana uyiteho Fande acaho Fande yaciye harigendera nayo yasigaye hakuno kwa nyirabukwe sawa afande
Can you give us a minute?
aduhaye umunota mama aje hakuno n'umugabo we mwibuke ngo bari bihaye agahe yewe ngo batabonana batanagira gute.
Good?
Yeah.
Byiza, byiza.
Come with me.
Ino tujyane mwana.
Yeah.
Yego, yego, yego. Yeah. Aciho. Mpamya ko na filime yacu ari uko igenze, bahitaga last scene alive, cyangwa se ngo aho aheruka kugaragara bwa nyuma ari muzima. Filime yacu nuko igenze, bwa nyuma agaragara ari muzima niko bahitaga. Hey! Tuzahure muzikurikiye. Ciao ciao, bye bye. Bye bye bye.